Quickly how to change a font across an entire presentation that you maybe are using a template and you want to update those fonts. So on your slide, you're going to select a text box of your choice, and then you're going to go over to your fonts and select a new font. I'm going to choose something that's a little recognizable so you can see how it changes. So I'm just going to pick this oregano. And when I do that, I have this purple button at the very bottom that says Change All. And when I do that, what it's going to do is it's going to change anything that is aramel to oregano. So if I click Change All, it's going to go through my presentation and make updates. Now if I go to my second slide, you'll notice that this one is actually Open Sans. So let's change that one from Open Sans to oregano. And again, I can go down to the bottom and I can click Change All, and that's going to go through and look for anything that is Open Sans and make that update. So if you have multiple fonts, you'll have to do those multiple fonts individually. However, then you can change anything that is using that font across your entire presentation. So now I can go through and I can see where it has updated that information. I hope that helps.